First question. The angle of reflection is equal to the angle of incidence. Your option is A, always, B, sometimes, C, under a special condition, and D, never. Time start now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right answer is A, always. Second question. A concave mirror cannot be used as. Your option is A magnifying mirror, B, a torch reflector, C, a dentist mirror, and D, a rear view mirror. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Right answer is D, a rear view mirror.
0.
Third question. The focal length of a spherical mirror of a radius of curvature 30 cm is. Your option is A, 10 cm, B, 50 cm, C, 20 cm, and D, 30 cm. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Right answer is B, 50 cm.
0.
Fourth question. The image formed by a concave mirror is virtual, erect, and magnified. The position of object is. Your option is A, at focus, B, between focus and center of curvature, C, at pole, and D, between pole and focus. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right answer is D, between pole and focus. Fifth question. Magnification produced by a convex mirror is always. Your option is A, more than 1, B, less than 1, C, equal to 1, and D, more or less than 1. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right answer is B, less than 1.
0.
Sixth question. Magnification produced by a plane mirror is. Your option is A, less than 1, B, greater than 1, C, 0, and D, equal to 1. Time start now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right answer is D, equal to 1.
0.
Seventh question. The power of lens is 2 diopter. Its focal length should be. Your option is A, 100 cm, B, 50 cm, C, 25 cm, and D, 40 cm. Time start now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Right answer is B, 50 cm.
0.
Eighth question. Area of light passes through glass into air. The angle of reflection will be. Your option is A, equal to the angle of incidence, B, greater than the angle of incidence, C, smaller than the angle of incidence, D, 45 degree.
10,
Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Right answer is B, greater than the angle of incidence.
0.
Ninth question. Which of the following can form a virtual image which is always smaller than the object? Your option is A, plane mirror, B, a convex lens, C, a concave lens, and D, a concave mirror. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Right answer is C, a concave lens. 10th question. The law of reflection hold true for. Your option is A, plane mirror only, B, concave mirror only, C, convex mirror only, and D, all reflecting surface. Time start now.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Right answer is D, all reflecting surfaces.